Always I used to admire Putin. Even though the age is growing, his energy to win or annex the country has not come down. Putin took the entire thing in 2000. He became the president of Russia close to 2000. And in his 25-year period, he has not been very peaceful with his neighbors. Always there was a war, either the internal war or the external war. He was a warmongering person, and he understood with the war he can make himself very strong. His currency will become very strong and he can dictate many things. That's what is the mindset of Putin. Now if you take, will he be quiet with Ukraine? No, he's not going to be quiet with Ukraine. First is, he has already annexed 2 major places of Ukraine, and his aim is to take the Ukraine back, because they all belong to the USSR, where the Russia was like a consolidated big country. That mindset still there is for Putin, and for Putin, his supremacy comes when he annexes majority of the country from other people. Now, what is going to be the future of Ukraine? Ukraine is going to have problems because there's one pressure from USA where they want to take Ukraine's all natural resources. Another pressure will of course come from Putin, where he's not going to keep quiet. Putin will push himself for a war, and he is going to bombard Ukraine, and he will not be quiet with Trump also. Now for Putin, end justifies the means. He's not the person, since I have shaken hands with you, since I have said yes, okay, I will not go to war. He's not of that personality. Whenever in a ruler's horoscope, Mars is in the 4th house, that annexing instinct will naturally come up. So Mars is for war, and it will naturally come up, and he's not going to be quiet. So the Ukraine war is going to come out in full force, probably much stronger than last time. And it is going to be a big blast for Trump, who is expecting that Putin will come down and Zelensky will accept his terms. No, it's not going to happen. And Trump will have to do the taco, what all the people are in USA are talking about him, set the tariff and take it back. The same way, whatever he has said against Putin, or whatever he wanted Putin to do, he has to take the words back. And for Putin, it's the wonderful time to show the supremacy to the world. So there's going to be a continuation of Russian-Ukraine war, and nothing is going to stop Putin. This is Jayashree Astrologer talking about Putin, a small analysis. The similar way you can do the analysis of your horoscope to find out what are your strong planets, what are your weak planets. Just comment your birth details in the section and connect with me in WhatsApp. I will gladly help you. Thank you.